Have you ever pondered the profound meaning behind the song In the Bleak Midwinter? The first verse of this carol paints a picture of a world encased in ice and snow, a world so harsh and cold it's described as hard as iron, water like a stone. This chilling landscape sets the stage for a miraculous event, the birth of Jesus. This stark contrast is not accidental. It's an intentional juxtaposition that emphasizes the warmth, hope, and love embodied by the Christ child against the bleak, frigid world. The lyrics create a vivid image which serves as a metaphor for the human condition, a world often filled with hardship and coldness, longing for the warmth of hope and love. The song, therefore, is not just about the physical conditions of a midwinter's night. It's a profound reflection on the transformative power of Christ's birth. In the bleak midwinter, the birth of Jesus brought light and warmth into a cold, hard world. The song doesn't end with a description of a harsh winter. It concludes with a personal offering. What could that signify? Well, let's delve deeper into this. The song's concluding part speaks of a personal offering, a gift not wrapped in fancy paper or adorned with a bow. This symbolizes that the best gift one can give to the divine is not material, but spiritual, a pure, devoted heart. It's a beautiful sentiment, isn't it? The idea that the greatest gift anyone can offer isn't something physical or material, but something deeply personal and spiritual. Our hearts, our love, our devotion, these are the real gifts, the ones that hold true value. They are the offerings that matter most, that resonate on a deeper level. So when we reflect on this song, let's remember its profound message. In the end, In the Bleak Midwinter serves as a reminder that the most profound gift we can give is the gift of a pure heart, filled with love and devotion.